next video. In today's video I will show you how to use text recognition Mlkit library inside a native Android application. So I have created a native Android application using the old view system, but you can use this with Jetpack Compose as well. And next I have created an Android manifest.xml, and inside over here I have defined the camera permission as well as write external storage permission, and you have to define this metadata tag as well, because we will be downloading this dependency of TensorFlow Lite from Google Play services when the user is installing the app. There is other way of installing this text recognition library as well, but that is not recommended as it bundles the TensorFlow Lite model inside your Android application and it will increase your APK size. Next, inside build.gradle I have added this camera dependency, as well as I have added this text recognition dependency as well, and I have defined build features view binding equal to true because I will be using view binding, but it is not necessary. You can use find view by ID as well. Inside inside activity underscore main.xml I have defined the preview view to occupy the entire width and height. Next, inside main activity.kt, first we have defining our activity main binding, process camera provider and image capture as well as executor service. Then we have defined image analysis for every frame that has been captured. Next, we have defined our recognizer for text recognition, and this is the code for view binding, but you can use find view by ID as well. First, we are checking whether camera permission has been granted or not. If yes, start camera, otherwise request the camera permission. Next, I have defined a camera executor as well as an analysis use case. So inside the analysis use case it will capture every frame, and for that you get an image proxy. From that image proxy we create a media image, and from that media image we create an input image, and we send that input image to our recognizer, and once it successfully detects any kind of a text inside your image, so this is all output it gives you. So depending on what you need, you can sort it out accordingly, and I'm just printing it to the logs, and if there is a failure listener you can just log it out, and for on complete listener I'm just closing all the images, and once all permissions has been granted, sorry for the background noise. So once this is just to check whether all permissions have been granted or not, and in on destroy we are shutting down our camera executor, and on request permission result get called when you request the camera permission. So once the camera permission has been granted we start the camera, otherwise we show a failure message, and here is the code for requesting all the permissions which we want, and this is the boilerplate code for starting any type of camera. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.